on your live, y'all. So I said probably, why y'all did I go like back on my iPad, and so whenever, if you've ever done a live on TikTok, after you can like clip sections of your live. So so when I go on my iPad, it was still on the live where I could clip it. It was 3 hours and 25 minutes. Y'all, I was literally like this. I was snoring like a freight train. It was so embarrassing. I'm like, Lord, I feel bad for the people that was on my live at 3 in the morning. I got 2 followers. They was